Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can change mouse pointer size in laptop or PC. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, click the right side of your mouse and you will see display setting options. Click on it and you will see search bar options and search here mouse pointer. And when you will search mouse pointer and you can see mouse pointer size option, click on it and here you can see you can increase or decrease the size of your mouse. So guys, in this way you can increase or decrease the size of mouse. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.